Go.
So this is another idea of creating a little bit of decompression in the spine, or opening up the front of the body, or just being able to decompress and possibly even relax the nervous system. So I'm going to get up on the roller, making sure my butt or tailbone is fully on the roller, as well as all the way up to my head. So my whole spine is laying on the roller. At first, I'm just going to let my arms be here so it could help me balance, and just be able to relax into this for a minimum of a minute. If the roller's too hard, I could put a towel over it, a blanket, but the idea of this movement or stretch is to be able to relax. So I shouldn't be forcing any of this. If this is pretty easy to do, over time after I feel this gravity opening up the front, I can lay my arms out a little bit and just play with the angle of that. If I want to, I can even bring one arm, not forcing it to the ground, just being where it's easily at, moving my arm through a full range of motion up and down. If I don't force it, gravity or my body will allow a little more movement or a little more stretch. Again, the key is not to force this. So almost making a snow angel just in the air or on the ground.